And then when you were in grade 1, you got this one, which is called Escargot. It's about a snail.
Oh, yeah.
Is that one live from
I still have that on my shelf.
You
Yeah, I
do?
still have that.
That's so cool.
Well, I think that it was a really cool experience to meet an author that made a really cool book. I actually thought that the experience was actually pretty awesome because just a few days before, I had just finished reading the series, and then I'm like, I wanted to meet the author, and I didn't expect to have somebody who designed the book come like a couple of days after.
Did you know that you were going to meet her when you
Nope.
when you were reading the series?
No, it was completely unexpected.
I feel like my favorite part was when she was able to draw all of us in a book. That was
Drawing is like some type of safe place. It's like where you can like just express yourself without having to like put it into words. I think drawing is a really cool way to show your emotions and show your fantasy and what your imagination is.
I like drawing because sometimes I'll do it to make me calm down, and I like just like letting my imagination run wild. Just makes me feel happy whenever I'm feeling sad.
Like all the attention to detail and stuff like that. Like if they had the before draft, the draft was just like how they wanted to sketch it out so they can put it in the book. And then when it's in the book, it has like all these small little details like skin wrinkles and small little acne stuff like that.
I'm working on like reading not all the same books. I'm trying to like explore different books. The sad books are the ones that I can't read no sad books. Like my favorite books in general have been mostly the I Survived books. The whole series of I Survived, I love those.
If you read one of those kind of books that's kind of complicated, then you can learn some new words and you can like figure out the meaning of what the book is about.
Nice. Go ahead.
You can also add like very like big and complex words to your like vocabulary.
You never know what you're gonna have as a job, but you should always start reading as a younger kid so that you get better and better, because you never know, you might have a job where you need to read.
I like when I read my stories, when I write my stories at like 7 years old, then these days I just read them and I just like to read my own stories. I'm like, this is so cool. I just forgot my whole imagination until I read the book again.
So not like reading at all.
And why do you now?
I think maybe because of my awesome teacher, Miss Harrod. She got me into reading, having us read 30 minutes each day for our homework, which I actually like doing. But sometimes I forget to do it. I like reading now because I've found the right books and